What if your trading journal did all of the boring work for you before the open, after the close, and reviewed every single trade without you ever lifting a finger? That's exactly what TradeZella's trading agents do. They're automated AI workflows that run in the background. One builds your pre-market game plan, one tags every single trade automatically, and one reviews your whole session against your plan after the close. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through setting up your trading agents from scratch, where to find them, how to turn each one on, and how to configure them so they actually match your trading strategy. By the end, you'll have a full system that journals and coaches you automatically every single trading day. If you get value out of this, do me a favor, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. It really does help a lot. So let's get into the video. So real quick, just to cover what agents actually are. Trading agents are automated workflows powered by Zella AI. Think of them as assistants that run quietly in the background. You turn them on once, configure them to your style, and from then on they do their job every single trading day without you having to ask. The hardest part of journaling isn't the insight, it's the consistency. Most traders start strong and stop after 2 weeks. These agents remove the friction, so the journaling and the self-review just happen automatically. That's the whole point of them. So on TradeZella, let's go ahead and set these up. So on the left here, you can see the Agents tab. Now here you can see that there is 3 different agents. There's the Market Sentiment Briefing Agent, which essentially does your pre-market prep for you, analyze the market, see what possible trends there are, and it does all of this based off how you actually trade. So I'll show you how to set that up custom to your trading strategy in a second. There's the Trade Auto Tagger, which essentially will automatically tag your trades based on various factors, whether it be a news day, a Trump tweet, late entry, early entries, revenge trades, all of this type of stuff. It will automatically go through your trades and actually go and tag them based on things it thinks you can improve on, or you can customize it to focus on specific things. And then finally, there's the Session Review Agent. This will essentially recap and journal your entire day for you. So it will go through your trades, see what you did well, see if you tilted, and it will essentially write a full day's recap for you in your journal. Now, currently, there are only 3 agents, but we do plan to expand these into more very soon. So let me show you how to set up each one. So to turn this on, all we need to do is press the little on switch right here, and now you can see it's enabled. Then you want to tell it which symbols it is that you actually trade. So whether it's you trade stocks, NQES, Forex, GU, EU, gold, whatever it may be, you want to go ahead and tell it what you're actually trading here. Then you want to give instructions on how you actually trade. Now you can be very vague with this, like this sentence here saying, I'm an ICT trader who trades larger time frame fair value gaps with VWAP, right? Or you could go really in depth and you could actually write out a full prompt, which I'll show you in a second. But this knows exactly how you trade. So in the sense that it understands in-depth trading concepts, right? Understands order flow. It understands auction market theory. It understands trend line, support, resistance, all of these different types of things it actually understands and can recognize. So as I say, you can keep it nice and simple and just go ahead and type this and press save, for example, or you could do it really in depth, right? So you can see I've just pasted in here. I've actually put in, think about overnight context. Where did price close relative to the RTH? How does it move through Asia session, right? I can actually get it to look at all of these different factors really in depth, okay? And then it will give me a full report because I've basically put keep it concise, level driven, actual numbers, not vague commentary, all of this type of stuff. And then I can go ahead and press save. So now I've turned this on to actually activate this and get this working. All I need to do is go back to the home page here, head to my journal. So just journal on the right, go to start my day here in the top right, and just press view my day here in this case. And I'm just going to go ahead and select today's date. Then you'll see on your Start My Day page, this will now be active here, the Market Sentiment Briefing. And then every single day when you come onto TradeZella, all you have to do is go ahead and press Generate, and you'll now see this start to run. So let's give this a moment here to generate. Now, just to show you whilst this is generating here, so you can see a bit clearer, this is the actual prompt I gave it here. Okay, so I said, we'll figure out the overnight context, figure out the higher time frame bias based off market structure, relative to premium discount, figure out, VWAP and key levels for today. So list the 3 to 5 key highest probability levels to watch, and then obviously do, a paragraph, a summary of, what I should be looking at today, right? So this is the actual prompt I gave it before it actually started running. So let's see how this comes out. And there we go. So you can see it's actually gone through and said ES and NQ saw aggressive selling during Wednesday's London session with ES dropping 72 points and NQ falling. It talks about FOMC, gives me sort of, a daily buy, so ES is cautiously bullish, NQ bearish with confirmed daily market structure shift, 4-hour bearish fair value gap, and ES sits above session VWAP, right? So this is creating that A plus short zone, and then it gives me all of these different levels and even the liquidity targets of where I should look to target today, and then gives me that summary. So that primary scenario here is to short both fair value gap resistance zones, moving and validation zone 7563 on ES and 29559 on NQ, and 2 structural weakness favors shorts on any divergence, right? So it gives me this full sort of pre-market plan right here, which then I can go ahead and just press save to notes right here. And if I come down to the bottom, you can now see that this has actually been directly imported into my journal here for my daily recap. Okay, now you can actually go ahead and edit this here as well. So let's say, for example, you just wanted to keep it really simple with the simple prompt and you didn't want this, big, overly long write-up prompt. You can go ahead and just edit this right here as well and just say, I am an ICT trader who uses VWAP, right? And it'll go ahead and work based off that as well. So really easy to do, really easy to set that up. And then once that's set up for you, that will then run for you every single day when you come to start my day using TradeZella. So let's head back to the agents page and let's go ahead and set up the second agent. Okay, so now we're back on the agents page and we're looking at the trade auto tagger now. Now, essentially what this does, if you just leave it completely blank and switch it on, it will automatically find tags to obviously set up for you. Now, I have already put in here, focus on tagging trades where I stay in drawdown for a long time. So what this is going to primarily focus on for me is focusing on those trades where I go into drawdown and I stay there for a relatively long period of time. And it's going to tag those trades and notify me of those trades when they do appear once I'm doing my weekly recap. But you can also just leave this agent completely blank if you want to. Only fill this in if you have something specific that you need to work on and you want TradeZella's AI to obviously focus on for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave this blank here and press save, and that is completely it. That's all you need to do to set this up, right? And just to show you an example of it, potentially, tagging a particular day, right? So let's go back to this month back here. Okay, if we go to this specific trading day, we can see that TradeZella's auto tagger has gone ahead and tagged all of these for me. So it's tagged trades based on entry time frames, it's tagged based on momentum, mid-morning, how my execution was, and all of this type of stuff, right? But obviously, as I say, if you don't want it to tag all of these different things and you only want to be very specific about certain aspects of your trading, just go ahead and press the settings up here in the top again, and you can just go ahead and edit the prompt to be specific about what you want to focus on. So that's the trade auto tagger. Really, really simple to set up and really, really super useful to get using. And if you ever want to access the general report and a summary of all those tags, all you have to do is come to the reports page, go to tags down here, and then you'll be able to see a summary of basically the performance of all these different tags that's set up for you. So really, really simple to use, really, really good. So let's go back to the agents page and now set up the session review agent. So the third and final agent, the session review agent, make sure to go ahead and just enable this one right here and go ahead and press edit configuration. Now, what I've set this up for right here is focus mostly on if I follow my pre-market plans versus my rules and when I don't. So I basically wanted to check my pre-market scenarios, check my pre-market plans that I write up in my journal, and then I basically wanted to compare at the end of the day how I traded versus my plan, right? Because as I said, it understands how you trade, it understands the concepts you're using, it understands the plans that you're marking out in the morning, and then can actively go and compare that for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and press save here, but obviously go ahead and give it instructions based off what you want it to focus on. So let me go ahead and show you this agent actually in action and where you can actually access this in your journals. So once again, if you go back to journal here and we go back to start my day, or we can just use the actual calendar here. So let's go to a bad day just to show you a good example of this. Okay, so May 2026, and we're looking on the 29th of May. Okay, cool. So let's go to the 29th of May here. And let's go ahead and click in here. Now, what we can actually do is if we just scroll all the way down to the bottom here, we can actually get this session review. So you can see it's already actually done it here, all right? And it actually gave me an entire write-up on all of the mistakes I made for this particular day. So it gave my overall session grade an F. And as you can see in kind of my manual recap that I've done, I gave myself an F as well. So we're both on the same page there. But essentially, it's gone through all of my notes as well as its own analysis. And it's basically said, you admitted you were married to longs. I refused to go break even, which is a discipline issue, not a failure of the read. It even went through my trades. The 328 trade was borderline acceptable given the bullish liars, but the hidden liquidity resting low resistance beyond the structural warning you missed all day. You then came back, gave yourself a chase trade, right? And like it's even put in like things that, no inversion, no setup, but like it's using the concepts that I understand and I trade to actually compare my trades and write my recap for you. It's then compared, my rule adherence, so how well I've actually followed my rules, and gave me some notes and stuff that I need to work on going into the next day. So that is how to use the session review agent. And as I say, you can edit this directly from here, but this will pretty much automatically at the end of every single day, no matter what day it is when you come in to start my day. So whether it be, today, I can just go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and I will be able to basically see this here, and it will automatically recap my day once the day is over. And just a quick tip, make sure to revisit your settings as you grow. Your strategy will evolve, your weak spots will change, so update what these agents focus on every month or so. So that's the full setup for you. The pre-market briefing preps for you, the trade auto tagger organizes all the trades for you, and the session review holds you accountable. 3 agents running automatically covering your entire trading day. If this video helped, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and drop down in the comments telling me which agent you're going to be turning on first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.